Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to find your TRC-20 address in Binance. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Binance app, and if you haven't downloaded it yet, just grab it from the Play Store or App Store, and make sure you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, look at the upper left corner of the screen. You want to tap on the hamburger icon, this one. Then from here, choose More Services. Then scroll down and look for deposit, this one. Click on deposit. And here you'll need to select the currency. And since we're looking for a TRC-20 address, search for USDT in the list, or you can just type it in the search bar. But here's mine. So tap this. Now, Binance will ask you to choose a network. And to get your TRC-20 address, just select TRON TRC-20, this one, the second option. Just click on that. And if your identity is verified, your deposit address will appear on the screen, and you can just copy it or use the QR code to receive USDT through TRC-20. My account is not yet fully verified, so it's showing differently. But if you're fully verified, the information will be shown to you. And that's it. That's how you find your TRC-20 deposit address on Binance. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.